Hi everyone, and welcome back to Adventures in Nodeland. So I am back here streaming today on, oh no, I don't want this started yet. Back streaming today, and I've just done a Platformatic release. So we are going to do a few things right now. So and test it out, the new features that I've just released. So it's pretty cool. So let me do the usual tweet, and then we can get things started. So here it is. Twitch TV. Here we go. Okay. What is the... I never update this all the time. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, and let me do the blog post, the tweet post, and here we go. So I've just released the new Platformatic Frontend client. What should we build with it? Join my stream to find out. Okay. Cool, let's tweet about this so you can share now. Cool. Done. Published. Okay, so spamming the word. Hello, folks. Ciao. How are you doing? Cool. Here we go. Hot. It's hot. Where are you based? On Corona. It's hot. I know it's hot. It's hot, very hot here. We are very low. Bucharest. Whoa. It's hot in Bucharest. I thought it was a little bit colder. It's the spirit of the year in Bucharest. Cool. So, oh, it's a wave. It's a heat wave. Okay. Whoa. I am sorry for you. Hello. Hi. I really don't know. Yeah. How are you doing, folks? And we are back streaming today, so good stuff. Let's just I don't think I should just get started. Maybe a few people are joining, but I don't know. Hey Liran, how are you doing? Hey. Yeah. Thank you. No worries, Liran. That was actually quite interesting. So let me pull that up, and I think that was kind of a good question from you. So let me pull that tweet up. I think it was a good question. Here you go. And you asked this question here. So here we go. So you asked this question, and you said, looks like it's possible, isn't possible to leverage the server response thing, okay? And you said you were using fastify.row here, asking about fastify.row. And the answer is just pass the stream to reply send, okay? So the question on needing to stream the response data, and the thing is just return the stream. And this issue explains kind of the problem, and why it's not working. So in here you can probably see this. In here you have an API route in Fastify. This is an async function, and then you have a readable stream here, and you call reply.send, okay, with the stream. And while and if you put async, it's not working, and if you put if you don't, it's working. Now the problem comes from the nature of async await and streams. Okay, so when you use a stream and async await together, you are essentially forking the response chain. Okay, readable is an async iterator. Yeah, and it's async iterable if we want to. It's the readable thing. Yeah. So the answer here is just to return reply. By adding a return reply here on this async, we are making sure that the reply is like the response is fully sent before the handler completes, and therefore not forking the response chain essentially. And that's because that's what's happening. So just put that there, and it's this issue. So and then there was a bug, and this was fixed, but it's completely irrelevant to the problem. Maybe it's best practice to also return the reply regardless of sync or async function signature. To be honest, yes, possibly it will probably be the best outcome. I typically, you know what? What is actually best is I return the response. Like I never use reply.send in my code. Like I think using reply.send is only because people love Express, and that's why that exists. And historical reason essentially. But truth to be told, just return your value, okay? And if you just do this, you have a stream, returns the stream. You have the JSON object returns the object, okay? It's just a function, you see. Don't do anything with the value. This is essentially the trick, okay? It's just don't call reply.send, just return the value you want to return, and Fastify will take care of it. So I level. Hopefully it makes sense. Yay, okay. You like being explicit with response sign? Yes. Yeah, that's also true, a good way. Yeah. Anyway, this is the gist of this issue. So cool. There's a few folks joining up. So hello everybody. And here it is. How many people are there? Cool. Okay. Amazing. Perfect. So what are we doing today? Today I am going to make a mess make, I don't know, myself really cool myself a little bit, doing some front-end stuff. So we'll see how it goes. It's fun. Right? It is. Is it fun? Hey, Dan DP. Cool. So, what are we going to do here? We have. Let me switch to my terminal. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I should probably be a little bit bigger. Cool. Okay. So here. I've just released a new version of Platformatic, so 0.28.0. Happy days. Cool. So let's install it. Hello folks, welcome to the channel. And sorry about this. Here we go. It's installing. Hey. Cool. Okay. So we left things here that he was doing the whole authentication shenanigan with the login. So, and we were we have a table users and we're storing users. So let's start and start creating a little bit of an admin panel for this table, right? So I just want to know which ones subscribe to this. So so in order to set up that admin panel, and let's create a folder Frontend. Okay, I want to use vit.dev. Okay, do you like Vit? Oh, not this one. Vit.js, I think this one. So Vit.js is a next generation front-end tooling. It's next generation front-end tooling. Okay. Anyway, sorry. So get started. Okay. So how do we do that? Okay. And let's do that. And we React, right? Okay. I'm going to use React because I don't know Vue. I don't know React at all, but you know. Okay, let's do that. And users admin. Let's call it admin. And it's React. Folks, should I use TypeScript? Is a question for you. All the people in my stream, you should tell me if you want me to use TypeScript or not. And I need an answer now. No vanilla, no vanilla. Do you make myself ridiculed by using TypeScript too, apart from frontend? I'm going to use JavaScript. I'm going to use JavaScript or TypeScript. TypeScript. A lot of people say TypeScript. Okay. Let's go with TypeScript. I'm going to be super. Okay. So cd admin. Dang. Okay. Okay. So here, let's do npm install. And let's see what comes out of it. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, I could do that. Seems about right. Okay, I can count. And if I refresh, yes, 0. Cool. Okay, so this seems about right. However, I need to, okay. And let's create a backend folder, and let's move db.sqlite in my backend, and let's move migrations in my backend. Let's move node modules in my backend. Yeah, Matteo goes. Look, it doesn't make it. Okay, and then package lock, backend, move package, backend, move platformatic.db, package JSON, backend, and move plugins, backend. Move types, backend. Okay, I've done the thing. So I'm going to backend, npmi. Let's see if everything is still working correctly. Cool. If so, you want performant web pages, and I need to provide this to you. We'll see. And then we see the front end. Okay, so we have front end. So okay, and okay. Oh yeah, no, I need to do move front end admin front end, move admin front end. Okay, front end. Great. Okay. And here I need, so vim npm-rc package lock true. Okay. Now you might want to know why I ran it with disabled by default. It's because I ate the thing. Okay. And I think it creates me so many problems that I ran it with it stopped. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so the backend we need here, okay, npm start. Oh, yay. So I need to copy. Okay. And to be honest, I want to do Platformatic. We need to change this because I can actually just do Platformatic start now. Here we go. Okay, this is running. And here we also need though to change this. And for now, we need course, and in course, we need star right now. Then we'll figure it out what we want to put in here. So in the front end, oh, and cd front end, yeah. Package JSON, npm start, no. Oh, npm run dev. Okay, great. Okay, so this is here. Amazing. So here, what we can do, cdsrc, we can do plt front end, and we need this. With this, we have our API. So it's with the users. Yay. And we want TypeScript. And oh, and oh yeah, I didn't put the port. Right. And ooh, interesting. What is this called on? Incoming request. And wait, this is, yeah, 3042. I put it this here. Yeah, okay. This is my bad. Okay, so we have two things. We have API types and API. So, and here we go. API, yes. Cool. Okay. So now what I can do in this thing, okay, I'm just going to remove this stuff. So delete, and we want this. And what we can do is we need to import a set base URL and get users. Let's do that. And set base URL, we'll need to figure this out. For now, let's put this 3042. Okay, this is the base URL. And then we need get users. And how do we do that? We have the guide. Oh, this was automatically generated by this command, liran. So this PLT Frontend, this is automatically generated. So here is what is in here. We have a few stuff that it's just like the client for the front end that is automatically generated by Platformatic. It's pretty cool. So it's and in here, let me look at front end. Here we go. And yay, I need, okay, yes, okay. So we have view state from React and just bluntly copy this. So, okay. And yeah, exactly. It auto-generates the client based on the existing API from the backend. Yeah. Yeah. Get. Is this calling set movies? Yeah. No. Oh yeah. Okay. So we need. Okay. So here, we don't have movies, but we have users. So set users. Oh no. Get users. And what? Oh, yeah, use state. Here we go, and we need some user state. Here we go. Yeah, we need this. Here we go, and we need use effect. And here we need to remove some stuff. Okay. And we need function fetch users, get users. Okay, why is this complaining? Yeah, go ahead. Type of get users. Is this complaining because it's So there is a good question from Liran about Platformatic. Can we annotate route belonging to the frontend so it doesn't expose some routes that which are unrelated to the frontend client? Yes and no. You do that with the new Platformatic Compose and Platformatic Runtime that we shipped a few weeks ago. So that is possible to do, to be honest. It's possible. It's just not what you would, in that way, you can actually create some internal services, and those services are not exposed to the public. It would be useful to make this session a boilerplate at the end for the sake of those who want to get a quick gain at first contact. Yes, that's what I want to do. So absolutely, absolutely on Corona. I'm just, that's my plan. I need to learn a little bit more and understanding why this is complaining on my watch, and I have no clue. So does it build? No. It's declared, but it's never used. Sure. Okay. So let's blame TS. Does Platformatic write also Frontend to discover what's inside the DB? Yes, it does. We are going to, it does, Allevo. We are going to iterate a little bit on the concept in the next few weeks and months. But yes, there is a concept of a DB dashboard that you can iterate on top. Okay, here. Why this is... Okay, so if I remove all of that. And wait, let me copy something from here. Let me copy this. Okay. Oh. And, oh no, not this. I just need to copy this bit. Okay. Yeah, users. User. And user full name. Okay, now it's compiling. Whatever. Yay. Okay, if I refresh this, no movies yet. Cool. And no users yet. Let's console log users. So get users, ooh, it's a course issue. Cool. Here we go. So the problem, so get users is just a fetch based on the parameters and everything, but it's properly typed, so you will get the good output out of it. So, and yay. So we have get users, okay, and oh my gosh, yeah, it's generated by Platformatic. Yes, Allevo. Yeah, it's and we need to fix my course stuff. So it's let's look at this course. Yes. Oh yeah, origin. Yeah, should be good. Should be good. Tree. Origin. Yeah. Yeah, okay, now it's working. Cool. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, I know. So I have created a client, very super duper easy. And look at it. Look at how cool this is. So with TypeScript, what you could do is You know that you see that you have all the parameters already prepared here. Those are the same one that you can find in the what's the name, in the OpenAPI definitions. So it gets automatically generated and compiled, and the client has no dependency whatsoever. So it has API. You see, it's completely self-contained. It has no imports apart from itself. These definitions. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we can browse this stuff. Okay, so what is this? Oh, I'm actually going to remove all thing. So yeah, no, it seems pretty cool, right? So somebody told me that something very nice was shut CDN UI, and that I should be using this. So I don't know. Installation. I don't want next. Yeah. Let's do a commit. Okay. Let's do a commit because this is something that we have already done. Added basic frontend. Oh, GSM. Cool. Okay. So now this seems pretty cool. Let's try this. Everybody said this is amazing, so I'm just going to trust them and copy this. Cool. Okay, and we run this thing up. I don't know. I'm just completely, I don't know what I'm doing. So I've done this stuff, and manual installation. We need this. tsconfig. I have no clue what I'm doing, by the way. So okay. Shut CN. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this file. And tailwind dot, what's the name of this file? Config.js. Okay. Then we need styles. It's globals.css. Okay. And I need libutil.ts. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. So Tailwind is bad. I have no clue. I have no clue if Tailwind is bad or Tailwind is good. I just don't know what I'm doing. So, truthfully, I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. It seems that ShadCN, like this thing, everybody told me you need to use this. And ShadCN UI Vite. It's the installation. I have no clue what I'm doing. Interesting. Makes not much sense to me, but look. Here. So in here, should I import this one? Ah, there is this command. Okay. So interesting. Okay, interesting. So in here, we got a list. Components. What's an accordion? Oh, this is an accordion. Okay. Collapsible. Context menu. Oh, interesting. Okay. Menu bar. Okay. Let's try. So if I take this, okay. Yeah. I'm not doing, I have no clue what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, I need that. Not this. I not this. In this, probably need it inside my main. Okay. So here, and we put this thing. Hello, hi. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you just stumbled here, it's because I'm doing some React and I've absolutely no clue what I'm doing. Okay. Oh. I am pretty sure I know the problem for this. So the tsconfig, it's I have no clue what I'm doing. Yay! Currently, I'm trying to configure a Vite to load Tailwind, but I am absolutely failing. Shut CDN, but I'm failing so bad. So I am actually going to give up because I have no clue what I'm doing. And yeah. Components, let's unravel all of this. Components. Yeah, okay. Now it's okay. So here we go. So now you can see it. This is already working in what we think it's. This is Platformatic client already working essentially. If let's refresh this up. So here in Platformatic client is generates Frontend generates two files. One is API types and the one is the API TS. And these allow us to do things like this very quickly and get the users essentially, use state to get the users essentially. Cool. Okay, let's maybe I can just add basic Tailwind. I can manage that. Tailwind. Oh, it's bad. Set base URL. Okay, this is a good question, Alevo. What would you use? Because I was literally trying to think a good API for this and I couldn't find out one. So, yeah, tell me, Alevo, what would you use? Because this is... Like, the other pattern for this will be something like... This is build API, and then this returns. And this then you do API.getUser and stuff, but it's doesn't look cool. So yes, if you tell me an API pattern that is better than the set base URL, that would be cool. Like typically you would do that in main, so set base URL, and then here you just have get users. Here we go. Okay. So yeah, that's what I would do. So Tailwind. Tailwind. How do we configure Tailwind? Okay, let's try that. Okay. Yeah, you said it's bad, Alevo, but you didn't tell me what should I do instead, so. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, so if the API is in host, you can avoid to set. Yes, which is true here in this case, but we have the separate dev server set spin up outside. And you should put it in front-end configuration load at the startup. Yes. Yes. And seems about right. Sorry, I'm probably missing. Why would you do that differently? So have you got an example? Okay. So you want to use context, okay, here, and then you get the client. Sorry, I don't understand how this will play with that client. Like you will need to configure something and put the client in the context. View 85. Get started. Yeah, but okay. You don't need to set this up. Like in the vast majority of cases, you would flip, okay, a level. What you're saying is true, okay? But you are saying that in this file, instead of creating generic exports, okay, you should return a factory. Let me check something. Yeah, that was the starting point of my question, sorry. So, yeah, but it's like, I agree with you, but that's not necessarily needed because you don't need to call this API at all. You don't need to call setBaseUR at all if it's proxying. So let me, can I configure it with Vite? Server option, where is it? Does it have a proxy? Yeah, I can proxy things. Oh, I'm just trying out a little bit the new the new Platformatic front end. Sorry, Alevo, I still don't understand what you're saying. Like, okay, let's configure it. So in here you have Vite and Vite config. Define config, you need proxy. Okay, and you want let's put it inside API for whatever reason. Okay, and the target is okay, and if we do that, then this is not needed at all. Should not be needed. Oh, in prod, it will be served from the same domain, so it will be different all the time. Yeah, no users yet. This is true. Because we are proxying badly. Let's see if what call is it doing? It's not valid JSON. Yeah, that's the problem. So I need to list them. Yeah, I need to list them manually. Like that. Yeah. Same domain. Yes. Or you configure it with the environment and you're good. Yeah. So what's the problem? Like, again, it's here. Or if you want to change it, okay, and you want to expose this as /API, you can expose this as /API. This is not working right now, of course, but what we can do is we can put it as /API. And now, yeah, oh, we need to change something here. because it's not rewriting it. So let me just see what are the options. And yeah, rewrite. Yeah. So we need the rewrite. And we need API. Here we go. And yeah, it's now working again. So yes, it seems it's correct. Like, it works well from my point of view. So I don't understand what's the problem in here. A level. Cool. Seems okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Like, again, this is configuring the API to call set-base URL, and we are basically setting it's proxied in. Okay, so we can figure out the build and cool. Yeah. So we have this. I really want a little bit more of styles. So let's get Tailwind going. And Tailwind, what is it? Tailwind. Okay, we want this. Okay, we have a Tailwind of something. Okay. And I have no clue what I'm doing. Like, it seems all super complex, setting things up in the front end, folks. Sorry, I am. Oh yeah, I did it wrong. -P. Okay. Okay. And here we need more stuff. Okay. And like, probably this should be that. Okay. 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 So now, okay, I have configured it. Let's see if it builds. It builds. Oh, it doesn't. Ah, look, it makes no sense. So freaking hard. Okay. So, get Tailwind config. Index.css. Interesting. Oh, wait. Here. They need to go here. Okay. You will be using Marco. Oh, look, folks, I am absolutely making a mess of myself doing this up. So we have Tailwind, Composer. Check the Tailwind config file. Ooh, this is a good idea. Sorry, why it's not? Ouch, where is it? Oh, yeah, it's in the wrong spot. So Tailwind, it's going to front end, and move post CSS is going to front end. Okay, so yeah, makes sense. CD front end, npm I. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Seems way more like it. Ouch. Oh, yeah, it's cool. Okay. Now, what we got here? Type module. Yay. Okay. Okay, so export default. Okay, and here export default. Okay. Okay, and it loads. Okay, it loads. It loaded. Okay. Amazing. Okay, great. Yeah. Well, it's you know, as I said, it's me doing front end, and I'm bad at it, like outrageously bad. Okay, so here, how do we? So this is our Platformatic front end thingy that was generated, and we want with Tailwind. Is there a simple template? No. These are all paid templates. I wanted something very simple to start with. Is there layout? Yes. Container. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. So here I'll probably need to do something like that. Okay, and here we are putting stuff in it. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Here you go. Oh, class name. Here we go. Okay. So, and we need H1. Typography. Okay. So I want font size, text Excel. What is it? Text sex Excel. Let's do that. So if I do that, then it loads. What is it? Ouch. Here we go. Why it's not an expected token? Oh, class name. Yeah, it's wrong. It's div. And then we need to close our div. Oh, made a mistake. Here is an h1, not a div. h1. Here we go. Okay, cool. Seems about right. Yeah. And okay. Here we go. So cool. Okay, so we have, this is our app CSS, which we don't need this. And it's in index.css. We have the basic stuff here. Here we go. And we need the list. How do we do a list? Oh, tables. We can do a table. Seems about cool. So we could do a table. Seems about right. Okay. And a table for each user. We want a TR, and then we want a TD, and this is key user, I think, and the TD. Oh, we need to the T head here. Okay, and one is okay. This is the ED, full name, and email. Okay, and now user ID, email. Now, why is this not? Oh, T-body. I need a T-body here. Hello. Thank you, Sandokan01, for subscribing. Oh, yeah, class name. Can somebody explain me why do I need to use class name here? Why is it complaining now? Oh, there is an unexpected. Oh, yeah. Okay. True. Okay. It's TD. Okay. Whoa. I'm so happy for you, James. This is going to be fun. And I know that's actually pretty cool doing a long bike ride. I still need to owe you a phone call, so I'll send you a text later on today. Okay. Thank you. for the explanation. Whoa, look at it. Look at it. Okay. And if yeah, it seems cool. Hello, folks. Here we go. By the way, we have very cool swag at Platformatic. You see, look at it. Look at it. It's a nice bottle, and it has our logo. Look at how cool it is. And also cool T-shirts. Okay, sorry for the self-play here. Okay, so so we can do the users. Okay, cool. Seems very nice. Can't believe it all worked. You know, it's actually hardish, but can we make this a little bit pretty? Like, can we make it pretty? Like, I want this. Like, how come this is so pretty here and it's not pretty? Like, why this is pretty here and here is not as pretty? How come? Like, I'm not happy. I am not happy about this. So let's see, go back into the get this started. The table layout. Yeah, no, this seems correct. Customization. Maybe I need to do something like this. I don't know. Like, we are here. I have used the classes. Is it picking up Tailwind? Is this not picking up Tailwind? Yeah. Oh, table layout. Oh, table auto. Okay, let's go table auto. Seems pretty nice. Let's do table auto. I love table auto. I love super auto things. Yeah, sources, and see if this got picked up. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's picked up. Sources. So SRC. Doesn't look like it. Index.css. Tailwind, here it is. Tailwind it is here. It's here. It's here. It's here. But sorry, here index.css. Should I put this into here as well? Yeah, sorry, doesn't look like it's working. Let's see what's going wrong. Should I import this? Yeah, this is importing it, yes. So this is not needed then. Very interesting. Yeah, here it's there. index.css, and it has all the Tailwind stuff in it. Yes, all the Tailwind stuff is in here. So maybe I made something wrong. Installation. Yeah, I probably need to put this in here. Yes, I am actually like pretty sure that I need to do that. I have this kind of feeling that I need to add that. Let me kill it. No. Oh, wait. This is actually failing. Okay. So how is it called? Yeah, but I don't need that. It's Tailwind, Vit. Yeah. Here. Yeah, that's, sorry, this is should not be needed. Okay. And index.css. Here it's in here. No. Oh. Here is it. Not sure why this is. Class name. Why this is not working. Okay. No, I think it's table auto. I think there is, I think this is, okay, let me try something slightly different. So Tailwind, I think, is being picked up. So looking at it, okay, because this is being styled 6xXL. If I put 3XL, yes, it's going down. So this is being picked up. Okay, cool. So this is being picked up. So, but table auto, it's not being picked up. So class name, table auto. And what? Oh, we need to enable the emerald color scheme. Okay. Okay. So import colors from, and we want color emerald. This is in the extend theme, extend and colors. Let's see. Let's didn't pick it up. A typo there. Oh, there's a typo. Emerald, in fact, instead of emerald. And no. Let's take a look again. And configuration, customization theme. I want the default theme. How can I get the default theme? Maybe I should just zap the theme and I get the default theme. No. Let me copy this and see what this does. Okay. It's not picking it up. I don't know. It's very hard. Sorry, folks. I just need to take a quick phone call. I'll be back soon. Sorry, folks, I am back. There was a little bit of a mess situation that I needed absolutely to pick it up. So I did pick it up. Sorry about this, and I didn't know. I needed to respond that phone call, so I'm sorry. Let's go back and check why this theme is not being picked up. So here, it's getting all the content. Oh, yes. Haha. So let's try again. Yeah, this is not being picked up because this is not that font, I guess. So this is the current stuff, but the font is, where is it? It's, yeah, that's not being picked up. So why is this? Let me see. The dev tools. Okay, so table auto. Table layout auto. It's here. Table layout auto. It's, I don't know. It's something easier, but I don't know if yeah, it seems good because it has styles, but maybe it's a problem in post CSS. I am super stuck here. Like I wanted to do front-end, and every time I do front-end, I get stuck in this limbo of setting things up and everything's working correctly. Like what do you use, folks? You just use next and just roll with whatever default create next app spits you? Okay. Tailwind content. We have index.html and yeah. Oh. Yeah, no, this is correct. No. Maybe is this file empty? like, should this be... Let's do that. Okay. Let's do that. Try removing those files. How do I remove this file? Yeah. Let's do like this. Okay. Okay, now. Ooh, now it has a lot of things in it. Okay, I like this way much better. Let's see if it was even picked up. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I need the content in my tailwind here. Cool. This needs to be. And then. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. Okay, so why this table here looks like this, folks, if you know, if you can help me, why this table here looks like this, and instead in here it doesn't look like it. Like, I have no clue. Literally. I have no clue. I usually go in DevTools, so okay, let's see. Here, inspect. Oh, wait. Okay, so it has more stuff. So it has shadow SM. Okay, it has way more things in it. Gosh. But this is not. Okay. With full. Okay, so. Gosh. Okay, so it's not toggle auto. We need with full. If I add with full. Yay, okay. Good. Seems. Yeah, no, it's working. It's actually working. But okay, so with full. Okay, and then we need to place this inside another div, which has class name shadow sm overflow hidden my8. Okay, let's see what this does. Whoa, it has compared, some stuff has appeared. Okay, cool. So, you know, I find these, and yeah, and relative rounded Excel overflow auto, another one. Okay, so, oh gosh. So this is, we added relative rounded Excel overflow auto. Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay, in here. And then we need with full border collapse. Text SM. Yeah, it makes no freaking sense. Okay. Yay. It starts getting something. Okay. So if I copy this up and I place this oh my gosh, what am I doing? Copy. Okay. Ooh, what have I done? No. Well, actually, yes, this is actually good. Yes, I could work with this. Okay, I can work with this. And I need this one at the top. Wait, no, it's probably too much. I need to copy only this. Copy element. Okay. And ooh, no. Copy styles. Let's see if that works. No. Okay. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Okay. So users. Whoa, it happened. It's happening. Okay, so completely misgiving the fact that there is this work in the doc, there is this bottom thing here, and there is this thing here, and this does not reflect what's in there. It's bananas to me. Completely destroy my my mind. Okay, so Hey, hello. Okay, here we go. It's getting there. It's getting there. I'm very happy. Hi, Ethan. How are you doing today? So, okay. Pretty, yeah, super pretty. Okay, so again, it's not pretty at all, but at least we are getting somewhere. I understand now, after thinking that this was not working, it was just that it needed, it was what I copied paste from was not correct from what I wanted. Okay, so here, let's go. Wow, it came through correctly. So cool. Okay, so here, now this one, we need to copy this thing too. Okay, and oh yeah, no, make mistakes, made mistake here. Okay, so let's go. Wow, look at it. Look at how nice it is. It has become. Oh, this is just a small authentication server I'm working on. I am mostly just using it. Ciao, ciao. Thank you. I'm mostly using this project to test out and verify the new Platformatic client, front-end client that get things done in that generates these two files, and it's fully typed. So we could, for example, if we wanted to just limit this to the users that have where email equals, this shows me, okay, and this still shows me, but if we remove this, now this does not show me at all. Okay, so, and we have full auto-completion on this, so you have order by, you have fields, you have limits. It's pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Cool. Okay, so and yeah. Cool. And I'm currently trying to style it using Tailwind, which seems like I made. There is this thing that I don't know what it is. Copy element, and I am going to stick in it and see what happens. Ooh, why it's complaining? Oh, class name as usual. Okay. Why it's complaining? Oh, it's complaining badly. Styles complaining. To values, not a string. Let's remove this and let's see what happens. Cool. Does it change anything if I keep this or not? It doesn't look like it's changing anything. If I save this though, it's complaining. Not a string. So if I do that, what happens. JSX expression must have yay. Expected token 27. So, okay. JSX style. How do I do that? Okay. Color red. This seems about correct then. Well, whatever. What is incredible, Ethan? The new Platformatic client? Yeah, it is. It's actually pretty cool. So it's generates 2 files and it's all type safe, but it's very lightweight, so it only just fetches. Oh, okay. Thank you. Ah, cool. Seems to be working. Yay! Look at it. Okay. Cool. I don't know if this is. If I remove this, does it change anything? No. So I have no clue what this does. Oh yeah, I think I know what it does. It's actually pretty neat. No, I can't see the difference. Okay. Yeah, anyway, this seems cool. Wow, I have done a lot of way more Tailwind that I was supposed to be doing. It seems pretty nice, so yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day. Like, I don't know, is I to be honest, I think I'm done for the day. And yeah, okay, Tailwind UI. Let me try. Oh, Tailwind UI. Yay. Yeah, but it seems paid. Like, is this paid or not? Browse components. Documentation. Requirements. Yeah, I've tried UI.chatgdn.com and I couldn't make that work. So seems super complex. Oh, look, next time somebody will have to get me to set up chatcdn. Oh, yes, you bought it. Yeah, I don't want to buy stuff for my stream, okay? So it's hey Augustin. So did you try out the new client, folks, at all? It's actually pretty cool. So look, I am pretty happy about it this so far. It's look, it's 7:30 here. I need to go feed my daughter, and thank you very much for watching this stream. I think we have done a few things today. So generating, oh, before I go, let me show this again. Like, generating the client is actually super simple. Okay, so in order, if you want to generate the client for my API, I can just do frontend, PLT frontend, point it to the URL of my API, TS for the language, and that's what it does, and it generates it, and that's it. Yeah, so pretty cool, pretty neat, and that generates us those 2 files here. API, TS, and types, which is all the things that we need to call our Platformatic API. So probably want to iterate a little bit more, but this seems pretty cool. Yeah, pretty nice. Perfect, folks, and thank you very much for watching, and See you soon. See you soon, folks. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.